Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, please consider supporting the channel by clicking subscribe, hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. If this message does not resonate with you, Aquarius, please consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign, as well as you can check on the description box. I've put up the link for Aquarius June general as well as a love reading. So the theme for this reading is basically what are the things that your person wants to tell you if they could right now. So without further ado, let's get into your reading. The first card that I've got for you here is the Magician card, the Tower card, as well as the Ten of Cups here. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here, Aquarius, is the Page of Wands. So you could be dealing with a fire sign or someone with a strong fire sign in their chart. So the first message that I've got for you here, Aquarius, is that I do feel like your person has been trying to manifest you, because I'm definitely sensing the manifestation energy here. I do feel like both of you could even be in this position of just basically want to manifest something out of this relationship. For those of you who are currently in separation, I do feel like both of you are currently trying to manifest reconciliation or even a communication here. For those of you who are currently together here, I do feel like there could be some kind of a conflict, some kind of a misunderstanding or misargument between the two of you here, and basically you're just trying to manifest a peaceful outcome from this whole thing. But I do feel like with this Ten of Cups as the last card here, I'm definitely sensing that this person, like basically your person, is seeing you as someone they want to have a happy family, happy relationship with here. I'm definitely sensing like you are the one that they want to get married with here, Aquarius. The Tower card here for me basically also is indication towards me that there could be something going on in your personal life at this point of time. I do feel like there are lots of changes, lots of like conflicts or argument. Yeah, basically something that I do feel like your person is currently going through transformation here, Aquarius, and I do feel like from this transformation they're finally coming up to the realization that you are the one that they want to be with here, Aquarius. And they also like trying to manifest, basically like they're trying to manifest they could actually come out of this tower moment, so they basically can move towards you and have a new beginning with you here, Aquarius. Yeah, with this Tower card, I'm definitely getting that there could be lots of changes, like abrupt changes that coming up in your personal life. The next card that I've got for you here, Aquarius, is the Queen of Swords. So you're coming up in your reading, and I've got the Page of Cups coming up here. So you could be dealing with another water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or someone with a strong water sign in their chart. So I do feel like here with this Queen of Swords and this Four of Cups energy, I'm also sensing like there could be a significant age gap between the two of you here. If not, this is also an indication towards me that could be some kind of immaturity surrounding this situation here, Aquarius, because I do feel like your person is kind of a little bit fearful to come towards you here, because they're kind of thinking that you have upgraded so much that they're basically putting you in this Queen of Swords energy, that you've come to, like, you basically have come to this realization that you're not going to tolerate any bullshit or any crap here. Like basically you're just like standing in your throne and just like not going to tolerate anything less than you deserve. And this energy is causing them to, making them feeling like, okay, they've lost their chance, they don't know how to approach you here. So they're basically in this energy of just reminiscing in the past or just overthinking. Yeah, I'm definitely sensing a lot of overthinkingness here between you and your person. I do feel like your person is also currently in this energy of Four of Cups, that due to this overthinkingness they're kind of missing out the opportunity that the universe is giving them here. I'm definitely sensing that for some of you telepathic messages could be prominent here. So you could be in touch with your person higher self here, and you basically could have some lots of downloads here from your person. The next card I've got for you here, Aquarius, is the King of Swords. So you could be dealing with another air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. But with this King of Swords energy, every time I'm doing love reading, when I get the King and the Queen of the same sword coming up in the reading, I'm definitely sensing that there is a strong soul connection between the two of you here. Overall, I'm definitely sensing that your person wants to have a new beginning with you here, Aquarius. It's just that they're kind of feeling a little bit fearful here. Like I do feel like this fear, it could actually be coming out from their own insecurities here, like from, like, I do feel like they're kind of feeling that you deserve someone much more better than themselves, like that kind of energy that I'm getting here. I've got the Judgment card coming out for you here, which is an indication towards me that divine intervention will take place between the two of you here. This Judgment card for me is also an indication towards me that there's going to be a second chance coming out between the two of you here. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here, Aquarius, is the Nine of Wands, which is an indication towards me that your person is currently feeling hurt, feeling in pain. Like, I do feel like they're putting up a lots of high emotional wall up here. And I've got the High Priestess coming up for you and the Fool card. So I do feel like some of you are really highly intuitive here, which is why I keep getting that you could be getting lots of telepathic messages from your person here. You could be communicating with them in the 5D. And I've got the Fool card coming up for you here. So yeah, your person definitely wants to have a new beginning, wants to take a leap of faith towards you here, to have a relationship with you here. And I do feel like they're also coming up from the place of fearful here, like a little bit of fear, because I feel like your person had gone through so much, especially with this Tower card here. They have gone through so much pain, so much of hurt, so much of emotional turmoil here, which is what also is making them kind of feeling a little bit fearful and kind of feeling a little bit indecisiveness here. I've got the Eight of Swords coming up for you here, Aquarius. So yeah, I'm definitely sensing that your person is currently feeling stuck and feeling trapped. And I do feel like this is why the delay happened between the two of you here. They want to come towards you, but something is just stopping them. I do feel like there is something around them that just making them feeling stuck or feeling trapped. But mostly I'm definitely sensing lots of emotional turmoil surrounding your person here, Aquarius. So I'm looking for the advice card. The advice card that I've got for you here is the Star card. So you're coming up in your reading as well. I've got the Seven of Wands and I've got the next card here, the Five of Pentacles. So the advice card that I've got for you here, Aquarius, is that I do feel like both you and your person have been in this position of Five of Pentacles. So I do feel like both of you are kind of feeling lonely, kind of feeling like you're being left out in the cold, like that kind of energy that I'm getting for you here, Aquarius. With this Five of Pentacles, I'm also getting hopelessness, kind of feeling desperate here, which I do feel like this is one of the things that you need to heal. With this Star card here, I'm definitely getting a lot of emotional healing needs to take place between you and your person here, Aquarius. And this Seven of Wands energy, I'm definitely getting that you or your person could actually be in this energy of kind of feeling defensive, or again putting your emotional wall high up, and this is what needs to calm down first. And for that to happen, lots of inner healing that needs to take place. And the bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is Four of Wands, which is an indication towards me celebration, marriage. This is also my personal twin flame card here. But with this Four of Wands energy, the energy that I'm getting here is that your person definitely wants to have a family with you here. That, like, I'm definitely sensing celebration and marriage coming up between you and your person here, Aquarius. The channel message that I've got for you here is, you mean the world to me and I wish I could talk to you right now. Again, I do feel like some of you could not be in communication with this person. If you're not in communication with this person, just know that this person wants to come towards you, to talk towards you here. I do feel like it's also going to happen quite soon. And I've got, you mean the world to me. Again, I do feel like this is someone who wants to have a family with you here, Aquarius. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is trust in the divine timing. So overall, the message that I've got for you here is that I do feel like your person is currently going through a lot of shift, a lot of transformation going on between you and your person. But more specifically, your person here, just basically trust in the divine timing and just go through your inner self, like heal all this inner child, all this, like any past wound and past trauma for you here. And just know that your person really loves you and you mean the world to them here. Alright, so that's it for your reading, Aquarius. I hope the reading resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.